Hello, this is Jasveer Sandhu telling you information about a website called abchomeopathyinfo.com. This website is designed for information purposes, so people get to find out how homeopathy works. There are articles on it, and as you know, the homeopathy has been in the world or in the domain since the 18th century. So people who have no knowledge about homeopathy could go there and find out what it is all about and how it works and why it works. In some cases, there are remedies out there for some ailments, and there's more and more articles being added on all the time. So please keep on going back to it, and you will find it is very helpful for purposes, for diseases, for information, and you can find products on it. Bye.